Hey there and welcome to the future of mobile application. Before that, if you guys are new here, join to the unbox call. So this is the first thing. The secondly, the thing we need to know is remote notification. So for this remote notification, you guys should do here. So this is our remote notification file. So for this remote notification, when we are entering into this, it will check for Android permission. Once that permission is done, it will do a create channel. Once it's created a channel, it will ask for two things. The one is if you are having the existing channel, it will delete that existing channel and create a new one. So this is the token on register token. Each time we have to get a token. So without that token, we can't able to do that. So it will ask for a token. Then for the notification thing, see here, the string body string. I'm just creating a new channel and then local notification thing. So sender ID, pop-up notification, all those things are that. The sender ID we have to collect from our Firebase. So secondly, the thing we need to do the remote notification as like as the local notification, just create a remote notification file. So in this file, just add this code what I have given. So I'm just giving this file into the description. You can directly access, or else you guys can access this code using the GitHub. See here, wait, the remote notification. So this is the one, you just copy this whole code, paste to the remote notification. So in this remote notification, I'm just simply doing the three things. The one is checking for the app permission. So as I told earlier, without getting the app permission from the user, we can't directly do the push notification. So we are just triggering the app permission. So once the user is given the allow, then it will go for the get channel ID. If it's current, if you are having the old channel, it will delete the one, and then it will configure a new thing. So this configuration having the on register. So on register is nothing but whenever we are just doing the thing, it will give a unique the token ID. Using this token only, we can connect our application to the Firebase. Then only it will be the bridge to our application to enable post notification. So then this is the on notification, the channel ID, channel name, all those things we can able to change. See the sender ID, this is the important one. Let me explain this later. So as like us, you just import this remote notification to your app.tsx file. Just simply give it here, it will be fine. So the next thing what we need to do, the sender ID, just go to your Firebase project. See here, we can get a sender ID. You just copy this sender ID. The nextly, the thing we need to do without triggering the thing. So before triggering that, we need to go for FCM console. So just search testfcm.com. So this is the one for triggering the thing. Server key and then FCM title ID body. The server key we have to get it from here. So before that, for getting the server key, as I told, I'm just directly into our project settings. Go to the cloud messaging. See here, cloud messaging API. Initially it was disabled. We need to enable. So clicking that. So it will directly redirect into the Google Cloud Console. You need to agree the terms and conditions. Just enable the thing. See here, currently we are just using the free version. If you are using the professional, you guys should need to go to the premium one. So once you are coming back, just refresh the screen. You can able to get the server key. Just copy the server key, paste here. Then FCM register token. This register token should be our application token. What I have told. So currently we are running our application, right? So see, I'm just closing the thing. Opening our application. Once I'm just opening our application, see, I just got a token. Just copy this token, paste here. The title should be test plus remote. Then in there, test remote notification is success. So and then we can able to add action URL, icon, data, all those things. So I'm just keeping this here, doing the push notification. Nothing has happened. Why? Yes, as I told earlier, we need to configure the sender ID. So initially the sender ID was wrong, so that only it's not configured. Just go to the Firebase, copy the sender ID. See here, paste the sender ID, rerun our application. Yeah, just clicking this, create local notification is working fine. Now I'm just trying to do the same thing, clearing the notification, doing the push notification. Push notification was triggered. We haven't received. No, why? Yes, I think we have rerun our app, right? Maybe no. Okay, I'm just I'm just running the app again. So I'm just uninstalling that because we have made a lot of changes, right? So this may cause some issue. So I'm just uninstalling the app, doing the npm run again. After running our app, when you're opening this, we can able to see the pop-up notification. This is the first time while we are opening this app, just asking for our project is to send no notification. You just guys should do allow. So after that, we just should copy the token. Just copy the token, go to the Firebase device token, then push notification. See, we guys can able to get the notification, right? Just scroll down. See here, the test push remote. They are out. The remote notification is success. So this is the one. So every time when we are clicking this, we can able to get the additional notification. So this is the basic configuration. We guys should do work on this. While summarizing that, you guys should create a project in Firebase. Once that is done, then go to our application. Firstly, you guys should do the changes in builder Gradle file. So once the builder Gradle everything is done, then do create a local notification, remote notification, and both are done. So currently we can able to see the two things. While clicking this, I can able to generate the local notification, and also I can able to generate the remote notification. So this is the one, guys, the project overview. For the security thing, we guys can able to add a lot of security things. While go through this, you guys can get lot of things. Hope you guys learned new things today. If it's really useful, give a thumbs up and do a subscribe. Having any queries, reach me on comment box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.